Hello to everyone and welcome back to the Pandas course. In this video, we're just gonna have a short installation of Pandas and to see how we can set up our environment for using Pandas library. First of all, if you're just gonna use Google Colab space, you don't need to download anything special. The only thing that you have to do is import the package of Pandas, which I'm just gonna type import Pandas as any shorter name that you want for the fasten and the time reduce. And the famous thing is to use PD. I'm just gonna run this code and you can see that we get the OK sign. And if I'm just gonna see if the Pandas is available in my environment, I'm just gonna type PD and you can see that we get a module Pandas from this address. And if you're just gonna install Pandas locally on your system as a Windows user, you're just gonna type command prompt or CMD and you're just gonna say pip install pandas, and the pandas is just going to be collected and installed on your system. We're just going to wait some moments for pandas to be installed. Okay, so the pandas package has installed on my system, and if I just want to install it, I'm just going to say pip uninstall
music licensing
pandas. It has a process and asks me, do I process the pandas to be uninstalled or not? I'm just gonna say Y or yes, and you can see that successfully installed. And you can see that the version of my Pandas was 2.2.2. And if I'm just gonna install a specific version of Pandas, I'm just gonna say pip install Pandas or the library name, which I'm just gonna say equal the version I found. For example, 1.3.4. As I'm just gonna click on this, the specific version of Pandas is just gonna be downloaded for me, which here it is 1.3.4. And this is how actually we install the specific version of package that we want. So let's install the Pandas library on our Visual Studio Code, and I'm just gonna open a new terminal, and in my terminal I'm just gonna say pip install pandas, and we just can download the pandas from Visual Studio Code. And you can see that this process is being done. Okay, so we just installed and set up 3 different environments for using Pandas library for our projects, which they were Google Colab, the command prompt for the system, and finally the Visual Studio Code. Don't forget to follow the course, and even though don't forget to like the video, subscribe my channel, and leave me a comment. I wish you guys the greatest time.
Music
Stay
licensing
tuned.
reimagined.